going to be showing you how to make a double-barreled old-fashioned shotgun. I'll show you it first. Here's full image. If I have enough time, I'll fire it at the end, and I might show you an AK. So first, you want to make this part. What you do is you roll up a piece of tape, you put it on the top, on the bottom, and in the middle. You cut it in the middle of the tape, and then you put it against your chest, and if it isn't even, you want to cut both of the tapes like that. I'll do it right now, so you know what to do. You want to cut it like that. So you have that. You also want to cut down the bottom, so it's going to be even too. So you have it so far to hold it. First you want to hold it so you know what's the size of your hand. And then you make this part. You roll up a piece of paper, you tape the top and the bottom, you do the same thing. You tape the top and the bottom, you tape them together. And then you want to tape two pieces of paper together. And then you want to pull them like that so you know that they're even and good. You take this and you roll them up. Make sure it's not too fat, or else it won't work well. Take the middle. The bottom. And the top. Now I made a scrap piece, and what you do how you make the scrap piece is you roll up a piece of paper, you flatten it, and you tape the top and the bottom. So you take the scrap piece and you put it through, and you try and get out the two circles. So you have that. Then I'll put that aside. Then you want to do the same thing. But now that's your last piece of paper. One sec. Okay. Do the same thing I told you, put it in half like that, so you know that's good. And then you mold it up. Okay. You want to still keep your scrap piece. And if you go in front of me, if you're done before me, you may do what I tell you. So you take your scrap piece, and then you want to put it through again, just like I told you. So let me just put it in the scrap pile. Okay. Now ready? So you tape top, middle, and the bottom. Okay. You take your scrap piece and you do the same thing I just told you. If you have tape sticking out, if you have paper sticking out, you want to tape it down. And if you have tape sticking up, you want to cut it. Okay, one sec. Let me just. Sorry about that. Just got too thin. Okay. So then, if you have it sticking up like that, you want to tape the inside like that, and then go like that. Same thing for the other side. Even if it isn't, you still want to do it. First I gotta find it, and then you take your scrap piece, put it through, take it out, and get your scissors out. Okay. And now what you want to do is you take both of these and you want to tape them together. both sides, top, middle, bottom, and then we'll move on. I'll make how to fire it at a different video with how to make the bullets. Top, middle, bottom. Top, middle. So you have that. Then you take this and you put it on and you tape it to it. Then you only have one more thing to put tape on. And then you're done your gun. You only want to put it on the top and bottom so you won't waste your tape. Okay. And then you take your grip. Now this is the easiest part to do. Actually, this part is the easiest part. But what you do to this is you put a piece of tape here. Then you put it here. And then you put it through the hole. And do the same thing to the other side. Now listen carefully. This is going to get hard. And it's second to easiest. You do that. And then you take another piece. And you put it in the front and you do it. In the front. Sorry. Make sure that's good. You're done.